Hello friend, today we are studying the Introduction and Classification of Fishing Gear Part 3 by Rohini Sudhakar Chauhan, Science College Nanded, BSc second year, paper number 9, unit number 1st. Twaddles. It is a undernet activity fishing gear, cone-shaped body, most versatile fishing technique. Twaddle net can be operated at the surface, mid-water and bottom. It is used more in seawater than the freshwater body. Not used in artisanal fishery. Why? Classification of a trailer based upon the mouth operating device. Beam trailer, bull trailer, outer trailer. Based upon the depth of operation. Bottom trail, mid-water trail, pelagic trail. Based upon the construction pattern. 2-stream trail, 4-stream trail, 6-stream trail. Beam trail, trail to trade on the seabed in which the net is held up by the wood and steel beam. Bull trail, the boat which stood on a hauls the net in a bull or a pair trailer, that is by using a two vessel. Otter trail, trail toward on the seabed held open by the pair of outer boards. It is a much larger net than the beam trail. Bottom trail, trade along the seabed. Those are grading along the bottom. Mid-water trail, trailer can be trade to be mid-water to catch the pelagic species. Twin reed trail, method of towing two outer trails side by side. Multi-ridge trail, method of towing two or more outer trails side by side. This is a wings, headline, top panel, cord end, ground gear, trailer root, bladders, bottom panel and warps. Structure and operation. Made up of two shape panels, top and bottom, of a netting laced together at each side to form a and longitude. Funnel shape bag. The funnel toppers down to the cord end where the fish are collected until the net is hooked. The rope at a bottom edge heading has a floated. Side rope, wing lines, grabbles, weight ground gear, wing connected by the bridge, sweeper, length of a single wire, door or steel or wood attached to the boat by the warps. The mouth is kept wide open by the long wings. The mouth of trail is kept open using a device such as a frame, beam, outer board, kite beside, floats, sneakers. Sometimes trail net is kept open by two vessels. How to bottom trailing work? Mud cloud, trail net, ground rotor up to the 1 cm across the 200 kg each, 60 meter, that is a heavy cable, and steel troll door 5 troll each, that is meter 5, 15, 10, 5 to 0, double decker bus drawing to scale. Sri Lanka introduced in 1960s 350 mechanized trailers in a ESL. Sri Lanka. Among them 180 trailers in a Gurunagar and rest of the Munnar, Kalpitia, Uttarwa, Ketiawa. Over the 5,000 Indian trailers entering Sri Lanka's territorial water illness, north and east, problem over the exploitation, destroy a marine resource, conflicts among the both fishermen and injure death using the monofilament trailers, damage the boat's net, reducing the local fish production and increase the cost of local fish production. The countries banned trawler: Indonesia, United States, Atlantic water 5 lakh square miles, New Zealand, Mediterranean, Europe, North America. Resource reasons: increase catch and income the local fisherman to keep a conflict with a industrial trawler, conservation of corals to reduce discards, protect the nature, sea mounts, hydrothermal weights and corals. Advantages: effective and large scale fishing operation, can catch a bottom, demersal and pelagic species, commercially profitable. Disadvantages: disturb and destroy the seabed including sea grasses, coral reef, rock gardens, which are where the seal hide the predator and spawning ground. By the catching, discard the valuable fishes, turtle, seabirds, marine mammals, unwanted fish caught and thrown away. Complete direct with a traditional net. Overfishing gear is non-selective and discard a lot of sea fish. Direct threat to the local fishing community, tourism and sport fishing, illegal fishing in a depth sea. Mitigation method: using a large message in a code end device of the trailing that reduce the capture of small or unwanted organism. TED turtle intercept device, turtle or shark, legislation and implementation. Perform only the eco-friendly method to blue sea and not disturb the nature, and provide a resource to future generation and improve the fisherman socio-economics. Thank you.